Welcome to our quick guide on uploading files to Dropbox from Android, updated for the latest app layout and features. If you've ever wondered how to move photos, documents, or any file from your phone to the cloud with ease, you've landed in the right place. Let's walk through the steps so you can back up your data and access it from anywhere. First, unlock your Android device and open the Dropbox app. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the Google Play Store and download Dropbox, then sign in or create an account. Once you're inside, look for the bright plus sign at the bottom center of the screen. It's the starting point for adding new content to your drive. Tap the plus button to reveal options. You'll see a few choices like create a new folder or scan a document. For uploading files from your device, choose the option labeled Upload Files. This opens a file picker that shows the locations on your phone, such as your internal storage, SD card, or any cloud-linked folders you've granted permission to access. Navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to save to Dropbox. You can select multiple items at once by tapping the files you want. In some layouts, you'll see a checkbox or a long press to enter selection mode. Pick everything you want to upload in this moment. Once your selection is ready, confirm the choice to proceed. After you've confirmed, you'll see a preview screen or a simple confirmation that shows the file names you're about to upload. Tap Upload to start the transfer. The app will begin sending your files to your Dropbox cloud storage. The time it takes depends on your internet connection and the size of the files. You'll get a quick progress indicator so you know how things are moving along. When the upload finishes, your files will appear in your Dropbox account, often in the root directory unless you selected a specific folder during the process. If you want better organization, you can move items into an existing folder or create a new one right from within the app. Just long press a file, choose Move, and pick the destination folder. A few tips to keep things smooth. Enable automatic camera uploads if you want your new photos to back up as soon as they're taken. Check your network connection during large uploads to avoid interruptions. And use offline folders sparingly if you're limited on device storage. That's it. 3 simple steps to get your files onto a Dropbox from Android. You've got your backups in the cloud and ready to share or access anytime, anywhere.